Assalamualaikum, bete. Let more students join the class. I will start it.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum salam. Let all the students join the class. I'll be starting it. Till then, Aryan, bete, open the video and do recitation, bete. Aryan, Amin, please do recitation.
Hello, Miss.
Ji, bete.
Miss Jana.
Yes, my dear, do recitation.
सर मैं करूँ?
जी मेरा बेटा, आप कीजिए.
आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर रहीम. कुल हुवल्लाहु अहद, अल्लाहु समद, लम यलिद व लम यूलद व लम यकुल लहु कुफुवन अहद. सदकल्लाहुल अज़ीम.
सदकुल्लाहुल अज़ीम. सुभानअल्लाह बेटे. वालेकुम सलाम बेटे. Walaikum salam everyone and assalamu alaikum to all of you. So I'm starting the class with the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Today in the morning, I was not having the internet. The mobile data was also finished and we don't have electricity as well. So that's why today first time I'm taking your class late. Fine everyone?
Yes.
I hope you're not facing any trouble.
No.
Lunch time तो नहीं हो गया आपका? Okay, that's really great. I was thinking कि आप सबका lunch time now. You might get disturbed. वालेकुम सलाम बेटे, वालेकुम सलाम.
मिस 12:30 बजे कौन खाने खाते हैं?
बेटे, my daughters do have.
हम 1:30 बजे.
Okay, you get up late. No, my daughters, they daily get up at Fajr. So this is the time when they start their lunch. They daily wake up too early, na, at 5, sometime at 4:50. So it's too early for them. So definitely at 12 noon they will be hungry. Okay.
मिस हम लोग तो 2:30 या 3 बजे खाते हैं खाना.
Okay, that's really cool, bete. I do also. Everyone has a different routine, no? They are small kids. That's why. Okay, coming to the point.
I eat in evening.
Gee. So what was our topic yesterday? Where were we? कौन review करवाएगा मुझे?
Miss, types of sentences.
Very good, Sinan. So Rafi, come on, start a brief review. Quickly review start कर दीजिए.
We wrote about imperative, interrogative, declarative, exclamative.
Okay, so what are these?
These are types of sentences.
These are types of sentences. Explain it now. How we make imperatives, how do we make interrogative, and how many interrogative I taught you?
Imperative, we do not use subject. For example, like close the door, clean the window.
Bete, we don't write. We don't write. Use तो हम करते हैं. We don't write in written order. We don't write.
Okay, miss.
Ali Salman, would you mind to be sit properly and be attentive? Stop doing all nonsense and be attentive in the class. Mubashir, open the video. Reja, Zainab Zubairi. Reja, I will not repeat it again. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class. Ali Salman, Zainab, a warning for you all. Ji. Zainab Zubairi, please open it. Open the video of yours. Okay, Humaira bete, please set the video. Okay. So Rafi did a brief review. Now Sinan, describe bete other one, exclamatory and how many interrogatory sentence I taught you. Come on, quickly.
Teacher, in exclamatory sentence, we use exclamation mark. And in interrogatory sentence, we use question mark, and sometimes, for example, are you? Does he finish his work? Doesn't he? Like that, we also use in interrogatory.
Okay, very good.
It is a tag sentence.
Very good. So now, who will tell about the declarative? Asghar will tell it. Come on, Asghar. Open the video and review it. What are declarative sentence? Wait, because someone is knocking the door. Let me check who is knocking at the door. I'm just coming. So Asghar, please start the review. Define what is declarative sentence. Come on. Till I'm coming, only checking it.
जब मैं अभी क्लास ज्वाइन करी है, आपने क्या पढ़ाया है अभी?
जी, my dear Asghar, have you done the review?
टीचर आपने पढ़ाया क्या है अभी?
बताए ना बेटे. You will review it. You were not present. You just join the class and close video and move on. Anna, that's why I told you everyone, when you join class, you should open video and sit properly and be attentive. Am I clear to all of you? Abdullah Farhan, dua for you as well. Who is dua? Raja, open it. So Fatma, Rafi beta, you already did so. So now Fatma Mohsin, it's your turn. Come on, unmute yourself and do it.
Declarative sentences are those sentences that says universal truth. For example, God is one.
Very good.
Earth is not only for humans.
Very good.
And water is odorless, colorless, and tasteless.
Very good. Okay. I'm opening the multi-sharing. Everyone should start making the sentences in the computer, whatever you are using right now. 5 sentences of each type of sentence and share it.
Teacher, declarative
All.
sentence हमें
Imperative, declarative, interrogatory, exclamatory, all 4. Come on. Do online practice and share the screen.
Miss,
Ji bete.
Miss, I was not in the yesterday's class, so I don't know what are these sentences.
Okay, I'm giving a short review. After that, who already know it, they should start making it now. Who don't know, Yusra, you should also review it with me. I'm teaching again. So everyone should start making in computer. Are you getting it? And share the screen with me. Is this clear to all the students? Okay, I'm sharing my screen and making it. Look at that.
Yes.
Bete, please mute. Everyone mute the camera and start making sentences, please. Start making sentences. Then I'll be permitting you to share it. Fine. Everyone should start making it. Okay, Batul, Alisha, Batul, bete.
Yes.
I'm sharing my screen. Look at that. The first thing which we do, the first topic of fall term was sentence. So a brief description of a sentence, complete sentence is a simple sentence, always give a complete thought, and we should follow the structure and formula. Bete, I start making the practice. Stop doing the annotation. Who is doing so? Who annotate? Do let me know. Now try it. I disable it. Now how many times you will do it won't appear in my screen. Is this clear now? And don't do this nonsense again. Okay. Alisha, Batul, Yusra, please listen to the review and all of you should practice right now. Please. And share the screen with me. Now look at that. I already explained a sentence to you. Parts of sentence. Every sentence has 2 parts, subject and predicate. Fine. This is the formula, subject plus predicate. This is the formula and structure of a complete sentence. Fine. What is predicate? Verb plus object, verb plus adverbial is predicate. Fine. If anyone asks you what is a sentence, so you can define in the manner like subject plus predicate, it's a sentence. जी बेटे रजा पूछिए.
Teacher, I want to ask how many sentences we have to make?
Better 3 of each. After parts of sentences, we did this practice. We did practice of identification of subject and predicate. After that, we did types of sentences. This we did, the last topic. Fine. What are types of sentences? Look at that. Number 1, imperative. As I am making, you can also practice in this manner. Imperative sentence. Number 2, interrogative. Third,
But fighting.
very good. Fourth, The fourth type is declarative sentences. Sorry, I have done the typing error. So, what are imperatives? Okay, number one. Imperative. What are imperative? In imperative sentence, we don't write subject. You, sir, please be attentive and practice with me. What are imperative? In imperative, we don't write subject. How do we make? Close the door.
Okay.
Fine. Complete your assignment. Assignment or assigned work. Both are similar. Fine. You can also make
Okay, miss.
in this manner. Now, number two. I taught you three types of interrogatory sentence.
Miss?
जी
इस
बेटे,
इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस में जो कह रही हैं आप सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता तो वो प्रीडिकेट होता है
जी बेटे, predicate क्यों नहीं होता? Close the door, it's completely predicate.
और ये मिस आपने एक और सेंटेंस कंप्लीट योर असाइन ये भी वो है
Complete
प्रीडिकेट
predicate है, क्योंकि imperative में subject understood है, subject second person होता है you. ठीक है?
Miss?
जी बेटे.
Miss, in interrogative, you have to put question marks at the end.
In imperative, we put full stop. In interrogatory sentence, we do that.
Okay, miss.
ठीक है? बेटे, please, Alisha Batul Rafe, if you're not speaking, mute the mic of yours. Who should ask the question, they can unmute themselves. Okay. Three types of an interrogatory sentence I taught you. Those are tag one, tag questions. How do we make?
मिस आपने इंट्रोगेटरी का ये वो एग्जांपल नहीं लिखी
जी बेटे. ठीक है, these are tag questions. What are these? These are tag questions. He is completing his work, isn't he? The simple interrogative.
आपने मिस इंट्रोगेटरी का सेंटेंस
टैग क्वेश्चन भी इंट्रोगेटरी होते हैं. सिंपल इंट्रोगेटिव विच वी स्टार्ट विथ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, जो ऑक्सिलरी से स्टार्ट होते हैं. इज ही कंप्लीटिंग हिज वर्क? नाउ WH question 1. It's also an interrogatory sentence. How? This is WH because I used Y over here. These all are interrogatory one. Number one, imperative we did. Let me mark over here. No? This was number 1. This is number 2. Third. ये ऊपर चला गया. Declarative. Example, Holy Prophet is the last prophet of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay. This is declarative. Fourth one, exclamatory, which shows excitement and surprise movement. You know, there are several manners how we can show. There are several manners to show the excited movement or excitement. जी बेटे.
हम डिक्लेरेटिव में ऐसे कोई क्या कहते हैं जैसे टीचर ऐसे कोई सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं जैसे हिस्ट्री इज माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बट माय सिस्टर लाइक पीएसटी.
No.
Okay.
I'm not asking about your like and dislike. I'm talking about universal fact and statement and truth. That is also truth. We can add it. These are statements. But avoid making about likeness. कोई कबात नहीं, वो incorrect नहीं होंगे grammatically. Done. This we did. Did you all understand? These types we did.
Yes, miss.
So now you all have to start sharing. I'm starting it. I allowed everyone. Come on, who is sharing first? Share the screen quickly. Reja, Amsal, Aryan, Yusra, I am removing you from the class. Get the word. Next time I will, without saying, I will remove you. Yusra, Amna, Asghar. You have 6 minutes to share the screen. Quickly start sharing it. After 6 minute class will be ended. Who wants to share verbally, orally? They can share orally. Ji Alisha bete aap share kijiye. Did you understand? Yusra bete, where are you? Did you understand the topic? Ji bete, who had done the practice? No one. Asghar bete, oral share kare bete. Did you understand the topic? Share the sentences. Unmute yourself and start. Start right now. Unmute Asghar. ये देखें. Asghar bete, be attentive. Start sharing the sentences. Asghar, I'll be minusing your marks. Ji, who shared it?
Abdul Rafi, miss.
Rafi, you have to write your name now, my dear. Quickly, bete, only 2 minutes are left. Excellent job, Rafi. Rafi, complete it, then you can share it with him. Rafi, first make it, then share it. पहले आप बना लें बेटे. Let Fatma Mohsin share it. अभी आप बना रही हैं बेटे. Let Fatma Mohsin do it. Show Fatma बेटे. Okay, Fatma, excellent job. बेटे exclamatory में आई नहीं. It's cold, isn't it? It's cold का आपने apostrophe लगाया हुआ है ना बेटे. It is cold. It's really better. Apostrophe remove कीजिए and exclamatory की spelling ठीक कीजिए. It's cold, full stop. Then I should be capital. G, exclamatory remove कीजिए. It is cold, full stop. I should be capital. Isn't it? Question mark. Humans में S नहीं आएगा. Human generalize करता है तमाम इंसान बनी हुए इंसान को. Human being. Correct your mistakes. Very good practice बेटे. I remove कीजिए exclamatory का.
Teacher, can I screen share?
Actually correct the mistakes ना बेटे.
Teacher, I have made.
वाव के बाद exclamatory mark बिल्कुल ठीक है. W छोटा कीजिए. Word का W छोटा कीजिए. I got the concert tickets के बाद exclamatory mark नहीं है. At the end exclamatory mark आएगा बेटे. I got the concert tickets. और ये वाव रिमूव करके what a wonderful day के बाद भी exclamation आ सकता है. Day के बाद exclamatory लगाइए. वाव रिमूव कर दीजिए बेटे. और W कैपिटल कर लीजिए आप. बेटे प्लीज अवॉइड एनोटेशन. आई एम टेलिंग इट टू यू. Whosoever is doing it. बेटे everyone whosoever is sharing the screen, they should disable the annotation, please.
Teacher, I have done. Teacher, I have done.
Okay, sure. It is cold. It is cold लिखिएगा बेटे बाद में. बेटे please. Okay, you got the thing. बाद में बेटे stop sharing of yours. Let me ask the person. Stop sharing. Let me ask first. बेटे the class has few rules.
Teacher.
जी dear. बेटे you all can share in the next class because the class time ended. Am I? Hello, am I audible to all of you, bete? The class time ended, my dear. The others can share in the next class. ठीक है बेटी, very good.
टीचर ये मेरा
Very good, Yusra. You can WhatsApp me. Please WhatsApp. Excellent job, Sinan. Wonderful.
टीचर
Always
Close
on
the
time.
door.
Very good, bete. Always on time.
do your homework,
Most punctual student of mine,
go to
mashallah.
school, you are getting late, play cricket in the evening, open the gate,
Excellent job, Sinan.
limit water in the match,
The most obedient student, mashallah. Few students are very punctual.
out,
Very nice.
it hurts.
Very nice, Sinan.
Oh, wow.
Fatma Mohsin.
Oh, so cute.
Very good. Rabi.
Declarative, Allah is one.
Very good.
Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the last prophet
Very nice.
of Allah.
Bete, in the night, the sky is dark. में आप full stop
Allah
लगाना
made
भूल गए.
There are many interrogative.